Hi, I'm Jay, and today on Jay's World Kitchen, we're making chip dip. If you're anything like me, you're a fan of potato chips, and I like dipping my potato chips into tasty dips, and you can buy all sorts of them at the store, and there's some that are really awesome, but they also cost quite a lot of money. And I was sitting one day and decided I need to find a way to make a chip dip that I can enjoy and I know what's in it. So I did. So this simple, easy recipe is very quick to throw together, and I'm going to show you exactly how with some very simple, straightforward ingredients. Let's have a look. Before I get into the ingredients for the main part of this dish, you are going to need Italian seasoning. Now, you can buy many different versions of this at stores, and each one is slightly different with slightly different ingredients. I like to make my own, and so I'm going to quickly run you through those ingredients. You're going to need 2 tablespoons each of marjoram, thyme, rosemary, oregano, and basil, and approximately 1 teaspoon of sage and savory. Mix those all together, and then you're going to use that as your Italian seasoning. Now, for this dish, you're going to need a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons or a little bit more of chopped garlic, some salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and a sprinkling of pepper. Let's put this together. This recipe truly is very easy to put together. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Italian spice and you're going to add in your parsley and approximately 2 tablespoons of water, and just put that in and mix it up. And we're going to just leave that to soak in that water for a couple of minutes while we start putting the rest of our stuff together. Pretty straightforward. You can take your mayonnaise and add to it your sour cream. And your garlic, and again, you know what my measurements of garlic are like. Just 2 tablespoons, I assure you. We're going to throw in our salt and pepper. And again, really, the salt and pepper is just to taste, and mix that up. Until it's nicely mixed, and then we're going to put in our Italian herbs. And you can adjust this to taste. It doesn't have to be exactly these measurements. And now you're going to put that in the refrigerator overnight until it is perfectly ready to go. It's going to harden up a little bit and it's going to taste amazing. So after 24 hours, our dip is out of the fridge and ready to go. It's firmed up a little bit, and you don't want it too firm, but you don't want it too runny. This one turned out just perfectly. I'm just using regular old crinkle cut potato chips because it's the way I like it, and I'm not even going to waste any time. I'm just going to dip in there. Oh man, that bold garlic is just perfectly mixed with the Italian seasoning in there. There's that creamy richness that comes from the sour cream mixed with that mayonnaise. This is really such an easy, quick, and simple dish. You have to try this, and remember to adjust for your taste. If you do try it, please remember to leave me a comment in the section below so that I know what you did to make this recipe your own. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember that you can support this channel by visiting my social media. Those links are below in the comment section. And if you want to financially support this channel, you can do so from as little as $5 a month by visiting my Patreon. That link is below in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.